Hi designers, welcome to Desygner. We're going to go through a tutorial today and I'm going to help you create a Christmas menu. We're going to show you in a few steps on how to do that. Before we get started, if you're liking the video, like us and please subscribe to our channel, and yeah, let's get started on how to create a great Christmas menu. Okay, let's get into it and let's design our Christmas menu. So for a start, you want to get into your template on Desygner, go down to the Christmas features, and you can see we've got hundreds of templates here. So first of all, we go through and on the top tab, you'll see digital menu. Click on that. Let's choose the Christmas menu. Here we go. So the first thing we need to do is work on the text. So we've got starters, main courses, and we're going to actually change the text around here. And we're going to take out the text. As you can see, go up to the duplicate bar, pull that down, and then we can actually change the text for whatever we want. Okay, so the next thing we want to do, we're putting in our content, put in all the names. Now you can see the prices. As we're going through, the prices are not really aligned. They're kind of annoying me because they're all over the place. So what we want to do is we want to take our prices, as you can see here, hit the arrange button, move that down to last selected, hit the left, and that will align all our prices nice and even. We like that. So now what we're going to do is change this background because we don't like this color at all. So we're going to go up and change the background completely. So we'll go over to images over here, and then we'll check in with Christmas background. There's lots to choose from. We like this one. So let's use that. And then we're taking out the other elements from the original one. That's looking pretty good. And then what we're going to do is play around with the opacity. That will make it a little bit lighter and a bit snowy, and that's kind of nice. So there you have it. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to reposition, make sure that's all sitting nicely, and yeah, you're done. And so the next thing all you have to do, it's that easy, download. You can print it out. You can download it to any of your socials, print it out any way you want, and you've got your Christmas menu. It's that easy. So there you have it, how to create a Christmas menu in just a few easy steps. We hope that was as fun for you guys as it was for us to show you how to do it. And please, if you like this, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And we really hope you guys have a great festive year coming up and a great Merry Christmas. And yeah, we hope to see you soon.